Hello there, Rob Yastrzemski with RJ Homes and Remax Elite here. And today I wanted to introduce you to my listing at number 43 River Heights Drive. This is an absolutely gorgeous, fully developed bungalow. Best thing of all, it's situated on a 1-acre lot right inside the city limits right in Edmonton. I'm just gonna flip this around real quick here for you guys to have a look. I'm standing in front of the home and look at what's across the street. Now, if you look in the distance there, you can see that's the downtown city Edmonton landscape there. Now, I'm just gonna pan around here so you guys can see. This is just a quiet little dead-end street with just some houses on just the one side of it, the creek side. Right behind this home is a beautiful creek, which is part of this lot. And that's the dead-end turnaround right there. That's where you get your mail. So there's 2 more houses at the end of the street, and that's it. Most of these are on these 1-acre lots. So I'm going to just quickly go through and show you just a quick sneak peek, walk around the lot itself, and then just want to let you know I will be live on Saturday. I'll be here at noon on Saturday to show you guys the inside of this beautiful bungalow. But just so you can see really quick, this is what you get. Plenty of privacy, lots of space. This bungalow is just under 1,800 square feet on the main floor, triple attached garage, RV pad. As you can see, just a beautiful setting. And we are located right across the street or from the Cameron Heights area. So you just take the same overpass off of Anthony Henday, and instead of going north to Cameron Heights, you go south to get to River Heights area here. And it's the very first street right off of 184th Street, which is the street you would take to go to the new areas in southwest Edmonton. And there's lots of new development there. So you'll not see any acreages anywhere else in the city like this. So as you can tell, beautiful pathways. What a gorgeous setting. This is the back patio area. Yes, it does have air conditioning, of course. That's access to the garage from the outside as well as from the inside there. I'll show you that on Saturday as well. Really quickly, I just want to show you this beautiful setting here. This is like being basically like as if you're living in Jasper or Banff. Absolutely gorgeous. Now take a look at this beautiful deck. How is that for a beautiful setting? Neighbors? What neighbors? Now I'm just climbing up the deck here just so that you can see when you're on the deck what you get to enjoy every day. Now imagine having a coffee from here. When all these leaves are on these trees in a couple of weeks or maybe even in a week, you'll just have the natural beauty of this setting to enjoy every day when you're having your coffee. Now I'm just going to climb down the stairs here, go down the deck. They left it kind of like a natural landscape, just cleaned up the deadfall. Every now and then you get a tree that comes down. You can see some of these stubs. So that's just been cut down trees just to keep the area nice and clean. These owners did a great job. Now, where this fence is, this is actually just about a third of the lot. There's 2/3 of the lot still behind this fence that goes straight down to the creek down below there. I know you can't really see it, but it's quite a distance. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the back of the home from here. Look at this, you have to peek through the trees to see it. How incredible is this? Extremely rare. You just don't see these kind of settings inside the city. So again, I just want to remind you, I'll be here at noon on Saturday. That's this Saturday the 16th. I'll give you guys all a quick kind of a tour through the house. I'll review the exterior again just so that you can see this one more time. But I'll probably be on, this is a pretty nice big home. It'll probably take me a good half hour to show you this. So I'm guessing I'll be here from 12 till 12:30, 12:45, depending if you guys have any questions. By the way, if you have any comments, any questions, please just put them in the links below, the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer whatever questions you have. If not right now or during the live event, I'll always be checking back for these comments, and I'll do my best to answer everything. Now check this out. Oh, there's the odd car that comes through. You never see that. Very quiet street. Now imagine pulling up to this doorway of your beautiful home every day. Isn't that just amazing? One last little turnaround. And there you go, guys. There's your driveway. I'll see you here on Saturday from noon till, oh, look at that sun. I'm just gonna turn this around so you can see this would be your view from your front door. So I'll be here Saturday, noon till about 12:30. This coming Saturday, May the 16th. I look forward to seeing you then. Have a wonderful day, and keep on living the good life.